Hello guys, I would like to give you a brief about the Gkeyword demonstration. Let's start with the Google. Let me search the word happy. I got the results of lots of keyword in just a click. I can use any of the keyword that I like it and click on the use button, so it will get copied into the text area that we have given. Now we can see each keyword is Google trending, means you can see how frequently, how much this keyword is used day by day, that Google tracks up. So you can see its graph by its being usage. So day by day this keyword is being used more and more. Now you can click on the clipboard, so you can anywhere, like in your website or anywhere, just paste it. Now we have one more features, that you can export all this keyword into a CSV file that is saved to your desktop. So you can simply double click and open it in the Excel file. You will get all the keywords you have searched in the software. Now you see that all this keyword you can get it very quickly, so you can import the same file anywhere you want to use it, so you don't need to again and again search the same keyword. Fine. Now let's go deeper into the Google Analyzer. So what it do is, Google will give us all the related keywords that this keyword has. So you can see for each keyword you can do, for the list of the keyword you can do the filtration, you can do the local searches. You can see I got the suggested bid value, local searches, advertiser competition, and the number of words. You can search for the more keyword simply by entering the keyword above and click on the add button. So it will start searching all the related keywords, which is all its value, like suggested bid, local search. Also it will search for the suggested domain, so it will take time and find it for you, that which domain is available and which is not. So in a single click, this software in the Google gives you lots of information, lots of features. Now it has some more features that I would like to come you through. At the below you will see it gives us the average of all the bid counts, average of all the searches, average of all the numbers that you have found in the results. We have features like you can mark it as a favorite, means mark it as a star. You can add a notes for any particular keyword, so if you want something to note it, you can later retrieve it to see what is saved, what is not. You can go to some another keyword, again come back, you will see that your notes are still saved. If you close the software and again open it, it will still be there. So all this data will be stored locally, so you don't need to search again, and you can quickly gain access to the keyword you have searched for. Now you see there are lots of keywords, so I can mark it as unmarked with the red color, or mark it as a green with the green color. Fine. So for that it will helpful to above you can filter based on the marking you have done, that you can see above in the filter section. You can also export this whole list of keyword into a CSV file. In that CSV file you will get all the results that you see in the software, like keywords, then suggested bid, its local searches volume, its average competition, the number of words, etc. So it will make the years of use for the software. We have a facility of creating a projects. So if you create a project you can add the country and the language you are targeting in the Google. That will help you a lot in managing all the keywords and the researches. So I have created a new project, sample 2, and I have added a keyword Happy New Year, so it will search all the keyword with this marking, and you will get all the results very easily and very quickly. So fine, you see that we are managing the software with the project name. That will be useful for you. You can below the data grid you see that all favorites counts are 2, all inactive counts are 1. That is also useful for you. You can delete any of the keyword, so it will be removed from the list, so it won't load it back again. That you see next to the keyword total and the cross mark. Now let's go back and go to the next one, that is Kindle. It is for the Kindle ebook. Kindle ebook requires a major keyword that will help you in gaining a top ranking over the Kindle. See, in a single click I got a lots of suggested keyword that are rank 1 in the Kindle website. So you can double click on that keyword, so it will give you search results for the Kindle, and also along with that you will get all the useful information like reviews, prices, pages, estimated sales, monthly sales, and the rank. As I am from India, so it is giving you the currency rupees. It will give you your particular currency data in the dollar. See, if you see weight gain loss, then if you click on the next, you will get the next results that you have. So it will give you lots of results in just a single click. If I double click on it, I will be taken to the websites where I will see the same product with the same information I have seen in the software. So you don't have to search the web browser again and again. Now let's come to the eBay. So I can search the same keyword for the eBay, and I can get all the top ranking keywords from the eBay in just a single click. If I go into the detail part, I will see all the results that I get from the eBay. I will be seeing in the software. So I can see the title and the price and the details, watch count, bid count. All the details can be easily retrieved. At the below you can see average of all the bids, average prices, average watch count. It also has a features of export to CSV. You can also see, I can make a new search, so it will come up with the new results in a very short time, very quickly. In just couple of seconds I got all the results. I can go back now and go to the last one, YouTube. YouTube will give us all the top rated keywords that the YouTube websites has. So I got the keyword like Happy Wheel. For that particular keyword I can just double click it, and I got all the top videos that the Happy Wheel has. So I can see, I can also upload the video from the software itself. So if I want to upload a video with the happy keyword, I can take the category, select description, click on the upload. The video will start uploading and it will get uploaded to my YouTube account. For that you need to add the YouTube credentials in the settings menu that I will show you later. So you can see I got a video uploaded on my YouTube. So now you can see my score. I can improve my score just by taking the better details and titles. See, my score is getting updated. I will add tags, so my score will again get updated if I use the proper tags and the required tags like 500 out of what you see. My score is getting updated. So this offer will help you to add a better description, better tags, but it is very easy and very quick. It gives you lots of suggestion to how to score a good ranking on the YouTube site with your video uploaded. See, my score is getting updated. So with the more score you upload the video, you will get a higher score and your video will be ranked higher. You can also export the video. You will get all the titles, URLs, page rank, description, views, comments. So this all will helpful to rank your top rank. Also you can use it later for another video without searching again and again. You can use this description and use for your video too. So this help you to gain a better ranking on the YouTube site. So you will get lots of views if you rank very nice over the YouTube. I can see the details for each of the video. I can click on any of the video. I will get the same link open over the web, and I see that I got the same results. Same thing is open over the web. Now let's go back, and it's all about the searches. I can come again with the new search results, and I get all the average view counts, average like, same as I did for other sites. For the YouTube, I have to add the username, password and the developer key. For the Google, I need to do a setting that I need which are the columns I need it. Google, double click, you see here I click on the settings page, I can untick for the any column I don't need it. Save the keyword is hidden, you can see that. So it is very flexible to use. You can again tick it and show that. Fine. In the about, it will tell you about the softwares. You can check for the updates. If there is an update available, it will check that is there a new version available. Help section will tick